Hello, how are you? I'm Smithy, and the van's still a Kontiki. I'm just eating some toasted tea cakes. Anyway, I'll look better next Wednesday. Get my new teeth in. Or some new teeth, anyway. I haven't made a video for a while, as you're all aware. I keep meeting a fisherman. I'm at Easton Port at the minute, just parked up next to the quay, and I met a fisherman in his camper, and he says, do you know what, I've watched every video of yours, and he said, you've stopped making them. I was actually on patrol around the port and I saw him, and I said, well, I will make another video. The last video I've just put up was a repeat of a previous video, just that YouTube were going to knock my channel off because I haven't made a video for a while. But it's having to get up and go to actually go and do a video, and now I've got to get up and go to make a video, and I haven't had for a while. So anyway, I'll tell you what I'm doing. Storm Ashley's coming tomorrow, I believe, so I don't know how bad that's going to be, but quite a few boats are cancelled. But I'm off work for 3 days, which is good. I'm still working in security. It's a bit of a catch up. I was working at the Isle of Man steam packet for a few years, searching cars and passengers going to the Isle of Man, and I was supervising now and again and everything else, and then started loading the boat with freight. I did every job there really. Anyway, I managed to get on the main port security, so that's what I do now. So I do the same job, but I just search drivers and cabs and wagons that are going to Ireland and the Isle of Man, and so same job, just different company, and more money. It's more hours, that's why it's more money. I'll tell you what I've done. I've bought some of these from B&M's, £3.50. So they absorb moisture. Now, I've never had these before, but I watched them on TikTok. I thought I'll get some of them for the van. So I don't know how much moisture they're going to take out of the van, if any, which I suppose they will do. So in the next video I'll show you what they've actually got. I thought if I put one in here, one near the sink and one in the bathroom, we'll see what happens. You have to take this off. Please tear off aluminium sheet. Do not tear off white sheet. How do you do that? Oh, I see. Don't tear off the white sheet. It's connected to it, isn't it? It's almost connected to it. That's difficult to do. You think that's all in one, and it's not. Oh, I see, right. You've got a bit of air freshener in them. They've got them little blue things in, bit of air. It's like linen smell. So I put one in the sink. I'll have to balance it there somehow, won't it? Fall over. Because I obviously still drive the van. I drive it to work and I drive it to go places. Park up at the side of the road, although our governments and councils seem intent on stopping you doing that for some reason. I know why they're stopping you doing that. It's because of the amount of people that just can't afford to rent anywhere with the ridiculous prices. So that it's now cheaper to buy a van and live in that, or canal boat and live in a canal boat, and that's what people are choosing to do. This is why these low emission zones have come out, to stop you doing it. They know that you're living cheap, they don't want you to live cheap. I'll put one there and one in the bathroom, and I've got a spare one. Yeah, I've got some very controversial views, I'm afraid, around that. But such is life. They don't want you to drive a vehicle, so they're going to take it off you. Or they're going to outprice it from you. I think they've only ever wanted the wealthy driving, to be honest, in this country. So the man with the Jag will be the only one driving in it on the roads. He's the only one that can afford it. The masses are going to have to get public transport and the crap that goes with it. That'll do. That'll probably fall over, so I'll put it behind there, I think, somehow. If I'm driving, it'll fall over, won't it? I'll put this one on. Hang on. Right, that's that done. Yeah, so when I do the next video, I'll show you if they've got any moisture. And but yeah, that Storm Ashley's coming tomorrow. It's Saturday at the minute. And I would show you where I'm at, but I'll take you to the front of the van, but Turn that off. There. I don't know if you can see out there, but it's obviously black out there because that's out to sea. Oh. It's black out there because it's out to sea. That's the sea there, it's Morecambe Bay. In the daytime you would see all the Lakeland Hills all the way to, you know, all the way to the Cumbrian Fells. Barra, Ulverston, Dalton, Grange over Sands, Silverdale, Ironside, see everywhere. And in winter it's fabulous, you get snow-capped mountains. I'm very lucky where I live. And I live and work where, you know, I live and work in the same place, so that's even a bonus. I can actually walk to work, but I take my van. I work less than a mile from where I live, but I take my van just so I know where it is all night. It's safe inside the port, so that's what I do. But anyway, I hope you've all been alright. I've been alright, I just throwing myself into work, just keeping busy. And I thought it's about time I make a video, and somebody at Steam Packet said, I'd watch your videos and you stopped making them. He said, you should make some more. I said, yeah, I will do shortly. But you've got to be in the mood. If you're not in the mood, you're going to come across as not in the mood. That's how I feel anyway. And I don't want to just pump out videos for the sake of pumping out videos. I'd rather make them meaningful, where I'm doing something. You know, I like to do things. I've been gardening. I mess about a lot on TikTok, smthyskontiki 1 on TikTok. And because TikTok's like a 10-second or a 30-second video, which I've never done that for YouTube. But YouTube I've always made meaningful videos of, you know, me talking nonsense usually, but there you go. It's, you know, everybody talks nonsense, don't they? But it's interesting to some people. But anyway, the rain's coming down. I'll tell you what I got for the van as well. I'll tell you why I like TikTok. It's a lot different than YouTube. YouTube, you can't play any music, you can't do this, you can't do that. If you go in a shop and there's music on it, it cuts your video out. TikTok, you can do what you want. And that's why I like TikTok. YouTube's been good to me, you know, I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed talking to all of you. But anyway, I've got a JBL speaker. And these are rechargeable. There you go, it's connected. So that's connected to my phone. I won't play music, but you could. And just handy, just put it where you want and play music. But when it's fully charged, you can actually use that to charge your phone, or, you know, if you're away in the van and you're losing charge somewhere. I've still got the what's it for charging. It's switched on actually, but the Jackery's been an absolute godsend for me. I use it all the time. And we had some power cuts, and I powered my TV. I think I just had the TV on at home, and the whole street was off, and it just powered the TV for hours. And I said to Sue, at least we've got a bit of light and something to do, we can watch telly. That's what we did. As anything else, I was going to bring my binoculars because I wanted to see this comet, but then it was raining. I thought, well, it's going to be cloudy, so there's not going to be no, you're not going to be able to see anything in the rain. So anyway, yeah, it's good to be back. I'll look better on Wednesday, as I say. I did meet the port manager the other day, and he was talking to us. I introduced myself. I said, oh, I'm Simon, by the way, I don't think we've met. And I said, I'll look better on Wednesday when I get my teeth. And he introduced himself, and he said, well, I'm so-and-so. I won't look better on Wednesday because I'll just be me. I said, fair enough. So he has a bit, he's like me, he had a bit of humour. I thought it was funny, that. I like that. I like humorous things. I'll tell you what, one of the lads I was working with last night, he had a bad eye, right? I kid you not, and he's probably going to watch this video later. And I said to him, oh, it's pink eye, that, mate. And I told one of the other lads, I said, if he says out to you, say he's got pink eye. So anyway, he said, look at my eye. He said, yeah, it's pink eye. He said that. He said, what's pink eye? And we didn't tell him. Anyway, I said, a driver came and he gave him you'd have to give tickets to get out. He gave him a ticket, and one of the lads said to the driver, he said, he's got, wash your hands, mate, he's got pink eye. And I just cracked up laughing. I couldn't even speak. One of the funniest things I've heard in a long time. Anyway, this morning, our supervisor came in and I said, oh, Billy's got pink eye. He said, oh, yeah, I've told him that Vagisil will sort it out. And he said, yeah, you need Vagisil. I just walked out, I went home. Sometimes we stay and have a chat, but I couldn't, I had to leave. But yeah, I thought it was funny as hell. Oh god. So he thinks he's got pink eye. I got it off that film with Melissa McCarthy, with Jason Statham when she's a spy. She had pink eye. I don't know if you remember that, but yeah, that's where I got it from. Anyway, I thought it was funny. Anyway, so there you are. So I'm back making videos. I'll plan some future videos. We'll see what we can do. And we are still out in the van. Susie at the minute, she works 6 days a week, and I do 4 nights. I do 4 12-hour shifts, which I really enjoy. But at the minute I've just done 5 because somebody was on holiday, and next time I go in, which is in 3 nights time, I'll do another 5. So there's plenty of scope to earn plenty of money, so the money's not an issue. We're doing well, you know. I work full time, Susie works full time, and yeah, it's just a matter of getting, you know, getting in a place where you feel right. And I've never considered mental health an issue. You know, I thought, oh, I'll just snap out of it to people, and it's, you know, it can affect you. You just don't realise it at the time, and it affected me, and I just didn't want to make any videos. But anyway, I'm making a video now, so I'm feeling a lot better. And me and Susie are going on holiday in, well, I don't want to say when, but we're going to Mallorca for a week, have a break, and just chill out and relax. And what else am I doing? I'm going to buy, so one of the lads I work with has got a 125 motorbike, and he keeps doing a CBT course every 2 years, and he has to have L plates on his motorbike. Now for me, if you're doing a CBT course and you're driving for 2 years, and you're doing another one and you drive for another 2 years, which he's done for 20 years, I don't know why he needs L plates on, because you can't be a learner after 20 years of riding a motorbike. I think a motorcycle test is ridiculous. This theory test is nonsense. It's just a license to print money for the companies running these theory tests. That's a lot of crap. But anyway, I said to him, I'll buy a 125 and I'll take my test with you. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll buy a 125 and I'm going to do this CBT thing and then ride it for a while. I haven't ridden a bike for 30 years or whatever. And then I'll take my test with him, and then he's got his license. So it's just a little goal for me, but I was doing it for him really. But I get something out of it. Obviously, I passed my test for a motorbike, so it's just something to do in the future. So yeah, you'll see that soon. I'll have a motorbike shortly. I'll have a 125. I want a fairly decent sized 125. I want a top box on it so I can get a bit of shopping. I feed the birds at home, so I need to go for bird seed all the time. You know, such as the important things that you do in life when you get older. Yeah, so it'd be handy to nip around town on, and I love going to charity shops, mate, and just seeing what they've got. I went in one in Longridge, me and Sue, and I got a brand new wiper for the van, pound, in a box. Only one there was, anyway I got it, it fit perfect, and Bosch wiper. I got some Salter digital weighing scales, you know, for your kitchen, right flat, they're like, you know, perfect thing. And if you know, I make bread in a bread maker, or you can make cakes, you can weigh your flour out now, so that's what I got that. What else? Oh, what I want is a butter churner. Now they sell them a Klarna thing at Dunham Mill, and I think they're about £20, but I thought I'll see one in the charity shop at some point. It gives me something to go in there looking for. Anyway, so I'll keep looking. Try and buy. I want to make my own butter, you see. I like real butter and I like salted butter, so I'll get some double cream, start making my own. I've got a blender and I tried it, it didn't work. But I say a blender, it's, you know, like a blitz thing. So you can't make butter in that. So yeah, I want one of them to make some butter. Anyway, I'm just going to go and have a brew, and can't think what else to say to tell you, but yeah, I'll be back. Smithy's making his videos. Obviously the weather's horrendous, you can hear the rain, it's ridiculous, I don't like it, and I'll be back soon. So what's the old saying, have you forgot? Stay safe, be lucky, and Smithy and his Kentucky. Stay safe, be lucky, and Smithy and his Kentucky. We'll see you soon. I told you my brain was going. Kentucky. Anyway, there you go. Right, I'll see you soon. I'll edit this video. When I say edit it, just get it onto my laptop and upload it. I'm not going to do any editing as such, but there you go. Right, so I'll see you soon. Oh, I'll tell you what I did buy. I got one of these phones, right? And that's my dog, by the way. But it folds out. you know, not showing the pin. But yeah, it folds out, so you can, if I'm not working, it's quiet, I can just watch the odd movie or whatever. And I've got, what have we got? Amazon, Netflix, Disney at home, so you can get it on your phone. I've got Plex, Tubby, I've got all sorts, Channel 4, BBC iPlayer, all sorts. So yeah, that's what I got. I got a stand for it as well, so and it charges your phone as well when you put it in there. So that's what I do. Right, I'm gonna go, and I shall see you soon as I promised. And I'll let you know about these as well. See what I'm gonna put that one in the bathroom. I'll see what moisture they collect then. I presume they will get some moisture, but if they do, I'll keep buying them. And you know, what were they, £4 or something? £3.50. These cars that are going past it, these are tug drivers. They drive the tugs, you know, take the wagons onto the ship. But they only work when there's a ship in, so I think they do split shifts, 6 hours, have a break and come back for another 6. Right, I shall see you soon.